Stop scrolling. Dr. Chatterjee's health secrets will change your life. What if better sleep, more energy, and a longer life were just one simple habit away? Dr. Rangan Chatterjee has spent years unlocking the science of optimal health, and today, PowerFlow is breaking down his most powerful yet easy health secrets that you can start using right now. The one thing you're doing wrong every morning. How to reset your body and mind in minutes. The simple lifestyle shifts that could add years to your life. The best part? You don't need fancy diets or extreme workouts to feel better. You just need these simple, science-backed habits. Dr. Rangan Chatterjee, a renowned physician and author, advocates for a holistic approach to health and well-being. He emphasizes the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and emotional states. This approach moves away from simply treating symptoms and instead focuses on addressing the root causes of illness. Dr. Chatterjee proposes that true well-being can be achieved by focusing on 4 key pillars: food, movement, sleep, and relaxation. The food we consume serves as fuel for our bodies. It provides the essential nutrients and energy we need to function optimally throughout the day. Every bite we take can either contribute to our health or detract from it, making our food choices incredibly important. Dr. Chatterjee stresses the importance of consuming whole, unprocessed foods as close to their natural state as possible. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are vital for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. This means opting for fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense foods support our immune system, improve digestion, and provide sustained energy levels. Incorporating a variety of these foods into our diet ensures we get a broad spectrum of nutrients. He advises against processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive sugar intake. These items are often high in empty calories, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives that can harm our health over time. These foods can lead to energy crashes, cravings, and long-term health problems. Consuming too much sugar can result in weight gain, increased risk of diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. It's important to be mindful of how these foods affect our bodies and make conscious choices to avoid them. Reading food labels and being mindful of ingredients are crucial steps towards making healthier food choices. By understanding what goes into our food, we can avoid harmful additives and choose products that are better for our health. Dr. Chatterjee emphasizes that food is not just about physical health. It impacts our mental and emotional well-being too. Eating a balanced diet can improve our mood, reduce stress, and enhance our overall quality of life. By nourishing our bodies with nutritious foods, we provide ourselves with the energy and vitality needed to thrive. Healthy eating habits can lead to a more active lifestyle, better mental clarity, and a greater sense of well-being. It's a holistic approach to health that benefits every aspect of our lives. Movement is an essential aspect of a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about intense workouts or hitting the gym every day. Incorporating movement into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. Dr. Chatterjee encourages incorporating regular physical activity into our routines. He emphasizes that consistency is more important than intensity. This doesn't necessarily mean spending hours at the gym. Simple activities like stretching, light exercises, or even a short workout with friends can make a big difference. Even small amounts of movement like taking the stairs instead of the elevator can contribute to your overall well-being. These small choices add up over time, or going for a walk during lunch breaks can have significant benefits. It's a great way to break up the day and get some fresh air. Finding enjoyable activities is key to making movement a sustainable part of life. Whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or any other activity you love, or simply playing with your kids, these activities not only keep you active, but also create wonderful memories. Choose activities that bring you joy. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to stick with it. The goal is to move your body regularly and experience the positive effects on both your physical and mental health. Regular movement can boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall quality of life. Sleep is often overlooked, yet it is crucial for our overall well-being. It is during sleep that our bodies undergo essential processes that help maintain our physical and mental health. Without adequate sleep, we can experience a range of negative effects, from impaired cognitive function to weakened immune response. During sleep, our bodies and minds can rest, repair, and rejuvenate. This period of rest is vital for memory consolidation, muscle repair, and the release of hormones that regulate growth and appetite. Quality sleep can enhance our mood, improve our focus, and increase our overall productivity. Dr. Chatterjee emphasizes the importance of establishing a consistent sleep routine. Consistency helps regulate our internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. This can lead to more restful and restorative sleep. This means going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Sticking to a regular schedule can prevent the grogginess and fatigue that often come with irregular sleep patterns. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can also improve sleep quality. Engaging in calming activities before bed can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This may include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing gentle stretches. These activities can help reduce stress and prepare your mind and body for sleep. Or listening to calming music. Soft, soothing sounds can create a peaceful environment that promotes relaxation and sleep. Reducing exposure to blue light from electronic devices in the hours leading up to bedtime can also promote better sleep. Blue light can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. By minimizing screen time before bed, you can help ensure a more restful night's sleep. Finding calm in the chaos, the necessity of relaxation. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become commonplace. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both our physical and mental health. Dr. Chatterjee highlights the importance of incorporating relaxation techniques into our daily lives to manage stress effectively. Deep breathing exercises, such as the 3-4-5 breath, can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation. Mindfulness practices, meditation, and spending time in nature are also valuable tools for reducing stress and finding moments of calm. Understanding cravings. The 3 F's framework. Cravings are a common experience, and Dr. Chatterjee offers a helpful framework for understanding and managing them. He calls this the 3 F's: feed, find, fix. Feed. Acknowledge the craving and try to understand what you are truly hungry for. Find. Identify the root cause of the craving. Is it emotional hunger, boredom, or a need for comfort? Fix. Engage in an alternative behavior that addresses the underlying need. This might involve going for a walk, calling a friend, or engaging in a hobby. The power of self-awareness. Listening to your body's signals. Self-awareness is crucial for making sustainable lifestyle changes. Dr. Chatterjee encourages individuals to pay attention to their body's responses to different foods, activities, and stressors. Keeping a journal can be a helpful tool for tracking your food intake, exercise routine, sleep patterns, and mood. This allows you to identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. By listening to your body's signals and understanding your unique needs, you can make choices that support your overall well-being. Embracing individuality. Personalization in health and wellness. Dr. Chatterjee emphasizes that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to health. What works for one person may not work for another. He encourages experimenting with different diets, exercise routines, and relaxation techniques to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and adjust your approach based on your body's feedback. It's important to listen to your intuition and seek guidance from healthcare professionals when needed. Small changes, big impact. A journey of consistent progress. Dr. Chatterjee believes that small, consistent changes over time yield the most significant and sustainable results. He encourages individuals to start with one small change they can commit to and gradually build from there. Focus on making progress, not perfection. It's okay to have setbacks along the way. The key is to learn from them and keep moving forward. Remember that every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Dr. Chatterjee's simple health secrets could be the key to unlocking your best life. But the question is, will you start today? Small changes make a big difference, and now you have the tools to take control of your health. Which tip surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe to PowerFlow and turn on notifications so you never miss life-changing insights. See you in the next one.